What's up, duders? Welcome back to the channel. We got a Pokemon unboxing, and here are the packages right here. These are packs right here that we're gonna open. 2 Fusion Strikes, 2. Oh wait, what? 1 Chilling Rain, 1 of those and 1 of those. Yeah, you see. Fusion Energy is grass. Let's go. Let's go! Let's go! Alright. So we got Judge, Excadrill, Trevenant, which looks like anyways. Sigilyph, yeah. Toxel? Oh, that's dope. Look at that. Look how dope that is. That's dope as fuck. Okay. Here we got a Total Dial. Baneri. What? Clobbopus? Nice. Oh snap, we got a freaking reverse holo Sliggoo. Let's go. Reverse holo Sliggoo. Nice. And then, oh, we got a full art Inteleon, bro. What? Let's go, bro. What do you mean, bro? Full art Inteleon? Hell yeah, look, dude. So these are 2 we got out of here. Let's go. We're gonna open this one. Chilling Rain. All right, this is gonna be Dark Energy. Oh, there's lightning. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Don't fall, camera. Don't fall. Okay, we got a Kakuna. Only got 1 move. We have Path to the Peak. Hatrim. Venipede. Spheal, which is like, Jesus. Crabrawler. What is Crabrawler? I've never seen this one. I've never seen this Pokemon before. Crabrawler? What? That's crazy. Never. We got a Golett. Porygon. Noise. Full art Old Cemetery. Nice. Of course, we're gonna put that up there. And then we got ourselves a full art Volcanion. Oh my god, let's go. What the heck, bro? I've never seen this Pokemon before. Volcanion V, nice. Volcanion V, let's go. Next up, Evolving Skies. A code card for y'all. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy, Poison. Grass! I'm only getting grass, fire, and lightning. This is crazy. Alright, Stormy Mountains, Shelgon, Ice Cube. Honestly, man, I'm just happy that I'm happy to be opening these packs. Psyduck. I'm not really going for any type of Pokemon. I'm just trying to I don't know, just open them. I don't know. Swablu, Seedot, Woobat, Eevee. Oh snap! Reverse holo Nickit. Reverse holo Nick at night. That's pretty nice. I like that. All right. And then what's this? Okay, a holo Curine. Is that how you say it? Nice. I think I'm gonna open this Fusion Strike. There's a code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're gonna guess this energy. It's gonna be fighting. What is that? Steel? I don't know. I think it's steel. Not sure. Okay. Kuparaja. Kaparaja, yeah. Oh, nice. Another Zor. Semi-poor. Okay. Q-Fent. What is that? Impidimp. Impidimp, I'm deaded. My man's mad because he impotent. Impotent mad because he impotent. Snom. Okay. Onyx. Got ourselves an Onyx. Ooh. Onyx. Jigglypuff. Oh, Delcatty. Nice. Reverse Hollow Delcatty. Take a good look at that. It's pretty dope. Alright. Oh, don't wanna. Okay, and then next up, last one is nothing. Just a Kangaskhan. Alright, pack 5 out of 5. Darkness Ablaze. For anybody who gives a damn. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Guess this energy. Water. It's freaking the opposite. It's fire. Bro, I'm deaded. I'm super deaded. Okay. We got Rose Tower. We have Steenie. Nice. We have Dedenne. Dedenne. Wishy-washy. Why you gotta be so wishy-washy? Got another Q-Fent. And then we got ourselves a Dino. I think it's Dino. I don't know if it's Dino or Dino. Pretty sure it's Dino. And we got ourselves a, oh shit, Panseer. Nice. Okay, Mareep. Okay, we got a reverse hollow Ducklet. What I'm gonna do with this? And then last one, bam. It's actually nothing, just a Grand Bull. This is what we got here. We got ourselves a Ducklet. We got ourselves a Delcatty, reverse hollow. A hollow Kyurem. A reverse hollow Nickit. Yeah. Volcanion V full art. Reverse hollow Old Cemetery. Full art Inteleon V. And a reverse hollow Sliggoo. Let's go, man. Hey, if you guys like what you see, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Go ahead and type them comments, man. Subscribe, man, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.